This is KARL-JAMES Langford. We're in the Rhondda Fawr. We're at Nant-y-Gwyddon, or Nant-y-Gwyddon, as I'm told it's pronounced. There's Treorchy in the distance, and then you've got to go a bit further on down to Tonapandi. And we're up here today as a continuation of my Rhondda series of videos. Completely different landscape now, and hill forts abound. So we're basically this really nice boundary here, boundary wall. It's about 600 mil thick, just a little bit more than that. Really nice boundary with some upright stones. So I'm up here with my Rhondda class, the Morians, and this is KARL-JAMES Langford, my first video today. And let's just have a little look at this old wall. So it sort of runs off there, really nice definition there. Lots of lichen growing on it. And as we sort of move around here, so we sweep around. Yeah, I do these videos for Archaeology Cymru if nobody's seen them before. We've looked at the Penrhys and Mardy area, and now it's time. Nant-y-Gwyddon. Apparently one of my Morians reckons the translation for that is actually the stream of the Druid. So anyway, we're looking at this, and nice sort of stone sticking out, part of this boundary. How old is this wonderful boundary that we're actually looking at now? And just sort of pointed out that you've got some really nice arrangements of stones here. What is actually going on here as well, just around the boundary. So we just sort of go on a bit more. One of our supporters mentioned the other day that these videos are not long enough, so we sort of start to look at, this is rather interesting, this sort of feature here. You do have a round structure here, clearly alongside this wall, so let's give this wall a date, probably about 1800s, and you do have these really interesting round structures at Nant-y-Gwyddon. You can actually see them, they're really, really clear. And amazing enough, I'm being pointed out that there's actually more. Look at this one here as well. It's sort of really interesting. Yeah, it's being pointed out to me, these like round huts alongside this wall. So the round huts obviously predate the wall because the wall's built through some of them. Really interesting boundary. I'm being told that there's the tip there, and there's the generator going, and again there's all these structures on the side of the wall. Yeah, being pointed out, this one's actually been more or less built onto, or is it? Yeah. Do you know what I'm guessing? These might be little miniature sheepfolds, I'm not sure, but these are too small to be. Right, excellent. So yeah, there's all these circular huts along the side. Ah, right. Yeah, you've got another boundary along there, and have we got a house here or something along the side, a rectangular building? Yeah, we've got this here running all the way along here, and we've got a bit of a stone gate here as well, coming all the way back along, back into this wall. Very, very interesting feature, massively. And interesting enough, we got a circular building here that has been cut into two. We've got this wall about 1800s or older, so we've got a circular building that's been cut into two as well, so it's been sort of reused. And we've got this bank along here. So the bank is associated with what? We've no idea yet. No? Okay, excellent. And we've got a bank that sort of runs off here as well. So this is video one, GoPro KARL-JAMES Langford Rhondda with my Morians.